Away first time, this time, and Thompson Herah into her running. Nowhere. What a performance there. It's the fastest in the world.
Welcome to Sports Soccer 345. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and touch the notification bell. Elaine Thompson Herah, one of Jamaica's legendary sprinters, known for her impressive performances in the 100 and the 200 meter events, is expected to have a strong 2025 season as she continues her career at the elite level. Even though the world of women's sprinting has changed drastically with the emergence of the new Olympic champion, Elaine Alfred of St. Lucia, and the 2023 world champion, Sha'Carri Richardson. Also, let's not forget the Tower of Strength, Shericka Jackson and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, her country women, who will also be contesting dominance in the 100 and 200 meters. While Elaine Thompson, exact details on her 2025 season plans may not be fully confirmed yet, she is likely to be a key competitor, such as the World Athletics Championships will be a major goal for Elaine. The World Athletics Championships in 2025. The World Athletics Championships will be a major goal for elite sprinters. Thompson Herah will likely to target medals in her signature event, the 100 and the 200 meters. Also, let's not forget that she is the fastest woman alive in the 100 meters with the record of 10:54 seconds. As a past champion of the Diamond Leagues also, Elaine Thompson is expected to compete in multiple Diamond Leagues meetings across the globe, where she has often been standout performer. Preparation. Elaine Thompson Herah has consistently displayed excellent form over the years, but after a challenging 2023 season, which also followed her in the 2024 track season, where she was forced to watch the 2024 Paris Olympics from the sidelines because of injury. However, the 2025 season will be crucial in her return to peak form, and we know this isn't impossible, as she is a top-class athlete and also knows how to win big competition. Thompson Herah took to Instagram a few days ago and dropped a bombshell, and this is what she said, and I quote, "I declare this year to be filled with unprecedented favor, abundant blessings, and unwavering peace in every area of my life. I speak health over my body, clarity over my mind, and strength in my spirit. This year I am equipped for greatness, and I walked in God's perfect plan for my life." End of quote. Elaine Thompson was reminding us that she is in tip-top shape and she is in a good state of mind and ready to run fast. My money is behind her. I am praying for her favor, I'm praying for her strength, and I'm praying that she will have a good 2025 season. Elaine Thompson Herah is one of my favorite and best athlete of all times, and I want to see her get back to winning ways, and therefore I am encouraging her to keep that strong mindset, and I know you will go far. And all the sports fans, I say, let us put our positive energy behind her and encourage her. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so before you leave and touch the like button. You will help this video to go far. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a good 2025.